Why do I run? Well, basically, to maintain good health. But I am not saying na sige ko run, healthy na ko. Actually, I am joining Fun Run to motivate myself. Since it's Women's Month, let's talk about women. Mo share lang ko gamay ha. When I was in elementary, athlete kunuhay ko. Charat. I am joining athlete meets as a volleyball player. But then, pag high school na ako, wala kayo na ako siya matrain and ma-practice since sa private school man ko nag-high school. That time, dili man gud uso ang athletic meet sa private schools. Though nag-happy mga sports fest na events, so makaapil-apil jud gihapon tagdula. In short, when I was in elementary and high school, physically active ta. Mahuyasan gihapon ta bisag magdagan-dagan ra, tapos pahawon pa jud ta. Nya kinahanglan malimpyo ang area sa school, pero dili ra sab sa school. Syempre sa walay pod. Nya abtik pa jud ta modula og mga Chinese garter, tumbalata, tagu-taguan, batikubre, ug uban pa. So kinsa may dili pang huyasan ana. So here comes college life. Wala na kaayo physical activity kay kuno focus sa studies. Pero di ay to naghubog-hubog ra kay umay pagkuha og HRM. Bitaw ay joke ra, maka physical activities lang during PE activities. So in short, dili na kayo ta makapahuyas. Why am I telling this to you? It is because it relates to the monthly sickness of every woman. You know, during my elementary and high school days, I never felt any menstrual cramps since I am physically active. Pero ato na college na ko, dito na ako na-feel ang severe pain during menstruation. Kanang moabot na gani sa point nga di nakamahilon na kung unsa itsura sa imo paghigda aron lamang ma-relieve ang imo pain nga gibati. May time pa jud nga naabtan ko sa akong first day nga klase namo. That was during college na ha. So kay wala na ako maantos ang kasakit, I decided to go home. Since limited raman ang ako baon that time, gibaktasan nako from school going sa amo terminal pauli sa amo barrio. So mga 5 minutes walk tungod sa kasakit sa ako puson. Murag nuhayag ang ako panglantaw ug wala na ko'y makita ng mga tao sa palibot. So I stopped and regained my consciousness. Mauto katong murag na okay na akong panglantaw, nagdali-dali ko baktas para makasakay nako ug makauli nako sa among balay. Ug dili ra jud na mao ang mga experiences nako during that time of the month. It took me years to realize na need ra jud na ako og mga physical activities and exercises. So when I graduated and have my jobs, I already started running 1 week before my period to prevent menstrual cramps. Well, dili jud siya permit tungod kay ining katapulan nato usahay. So bation gihapon nako ang menstrual cramps before, pero dili na jud siya ingon severe. That is why now, I am joining Fun Run to motivate myself. By the way, nagsugod ay ni siya pandemic time when there was a virtual run organized and one of my colleagues before invited us. So now, I am joining Fun Run para ma-motivate ko na mo training and challenge myself na makaya ug mahuman na ako ang distance na ako gipili. Well, all of us wants to have a good health and we have different reasons why we are joining this kind of events. But here's mine. So that's all. Happy Women's Month and congratulations to all of us. Babae tayo at hindi babae lang. You can share your running experiences on the comment section. Like, share, and follow. God bless. Good luck to your future runs.